Hi guys, are you an iPhone lover? Would love to save money and also have full control of your Apple iDevice with iOS jailbreak? If your answer is yes, then you are in the right place. The release of iOS has brought major updates on the previous version, which is iOS 14.7 update. These updates include enhanced security, the introduction of SharePlay, FaceTime, text identification on photos and among others. Does this mean that I can't jailbreak iOS? No. Even with extensive updates, a jailbreak is still possible. There is currently no official jailbreak available for iOS 16. No jailbreak for iOS 16 has been publicly confirmed by any developer. However, there are developers who have tested a few jailbreak tools and methods on iOS 16. The majority of them are ineffective. However, certain jailbreak methods are partially compatible with iOS 16. All iOS versions and device models are supported by the jailbreak alternatives listed below.